Hey everyone, my name is Gabby and I'm a Wheesearch in-house beauty blogger. In today's video, I'm going to be reviewing the Kim Kardashian West and Mario collaboration, and I'm doing the eyeshadow palette. So this palette just got in the mail for me, which is a little long. Like I live in Canada, it shouldn't take that long. But anyways, now it is in my hands and I'm super happy. So right off the bat, I just opened this and I'm not gonna lie, this package is doing nothing for me. I can barely see the Kim Kardashian or the Mario logo or anything. It's not really my favorite. I think it's a bit bland of a gray shade. By all means, it's got a classy look to it, but it's not particularly wow, amazing. You know what I mean? So anyways, it's just a package. It's nothing, bad or anything. But this eyeshadow palette contains 10 shades. So I'm just gonna open it up for you guys right here. Now I'm gonna say the names of the shades: 2008, Glam, Miami, Armenian, Loyalty, Decade, Albanian, Vegas, Libra, and Bronzy. So anyway, this is the first eyeshadow palette from KKW and Mario. I'm excited to try it on. And I also just want to say that this video is not sponsored by Kim Kardashian or anybody. This is just my true opinion. If you guys want to see more reviews, please go check out Wheesearch.com. This is where we put all our reviews online. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So I'm going to start by applying Decade all over my lid. The coverage of the eyeshadow so far is really good. And I just put it on as a base on top of my primer just to put it and match it with the rest of my skin tone. I feel like a lot of these colors are nudes, sort of, but they're also very Kim Kardashian. The one I'm sort of afraid about a little bit is the blue eyeshadow. I don't really wear blue because always sort of reminds me of high school when I didn't know how to do makeup, or at least when I started doing makeup, and it was always sort of oh no, why did you do that? 15 years old Gab, stop. I feel like the palette is not too expensive. It is $45 US. So it is expensive. It is not the cheapest one you can buy at Sephora or at the drugstore. But there are a lot of palettes that I feel now this is sort of the range for some beauty brands to buy them at $40 to $50 or $60. So it is expensive, but it is not the worst. So far, I'm really enjoying this palette, guys. I feel like the colors are really blending and they're really matching. My only thing is I don't know if the colors would look good on someone who was a little darker skin than me, because they're really popping off for my fair skin or whatever. Maybe I'm not fair, but they're really good for my skin tone, but I'm not exactly sure if it was someone with a different skin tone, if it would look the same. And my guess is probably not, so that's a little unfortunate. So the coverage is really good. It's just I feel the colors are cold shades and they're not warm tones at all. They're really cold in the fact that I feel they're very, not flat, but they don't have any warmth to them. Even the bronzy one, I was sort of surprised because I don't feel it's super bronzy in a way, so that's surprising for me. Honestly though, I really enjoyed the shades because I did a review on this. It was called the Blood Sugar Palette by Jeffree Star. I feel that palette is kind of wow, festival, special event kind of thing, but with this palette, with these colors, you really have a everyday sort of palette. My only thing is again, I think that she made these shades for little Kim Kardashians of the world kind of thing, not necessarily for mass amount of people and clients and stuff. I think that half of the palette's got tons of sparkles and tons of shine. It's sort of have a metallic look to it, and I really like that. And then the 5 others seems to be pretty matte. So far this does not feel cakey. I put 3 eyeshadows on my eyes and it feels pretty light. They're going so smooth. The application is so easy. It's really, really going well for me. I'm not a huge fan of buying stuff because people have their face on the brand and stuff, but genuinely this palette is pretty good. Pretty good. I like it so far. Ooh, this is sparkly. No matter what age you are, there's not an age appropriate for this palette because it can be for any sort of occasion. I'm gonna try the blue. I'm terrified, guys. I don't do blue on the eyes since I'm 16, 15. It was a high school thing for me, so we're gonna try it out. I'm just gonna put a little tiny. Yo, that's a lot. I just put a tiny amount, and I don't know if it shows on camera, but that really, really is blue. It's not, guys, look at this. I put the most little amount possible on this, and it's just Oh wow. This palette's probably gonna last you a long time because, I mean, the tiniest amount of product and you're good to go. Like, it's, really don't need that much. I really like the blue. I'm really surprised. I didn't think I would. Ooh, okay. Let me go apply some eyeliner, let me go apply some mascara, and I will be back with my final thoughts. I honestly like this palette so much more than I thought I would, and I know it's like sounds really dumb, but I had done my previous Kim Kardashian contour review on this channel. I'll put it in the description down below. And I didn't like the product so much, so I thought, you know what, like this brand, not my favorite. First of all, shipping is always very long for where I'm from, but also the product wasn't the greatest in that review, and I was a little bit disappointed. So I didn't have that high expectation for the eyeshadow palette, but I actually really enjoy it. Like, I think I will definitely be using this for my everyday sort of like makeup looks and stuff because it's very subtle, but it doesn't mean that the coverage wasn't good. It just means that it was meant, I feel, to be like a very accessible palette in the way that like you're gonna use it a lot if you buy this. And I really like it. This is why like it's one of my new favorite. I highly recommend buying it. And again, this is not a sponsored video or anything. This is just my honest thoughts. So anyways, if you guys want to see more reviews and you want to know the latest trends about makeup and stuff, please subscribe to our channel because we are keeping you updated on the new makeup. Go on our website, it's www.wheesearch.com. There we post our reviews and you can go and discover the perfect makeup that works for you. If you are a beauty vlogger and you want to join this community here at Wheesearch, please leave a comment down below. I'll make sure someone get in contact with you and you can be part of our feature vlogger team. Until next time, bye!